Hey everybody, so I think it's been a couple weeks since I've done one of these, a home smoke alarm search. So, let's see what we have to stumble across today. Let's see, where's the hallway? Because that's the first place I would think there's a smoke alarm. Or is there even one in this house? That's a good question. Wait, is that the basement or no, that's probably a closet. Wait, no smoke alarm? Oh no. No smoke alarm. Okay, that's a sad choice. I if it were me, I would put a couple holes in the ceiling and put up a smoke alarm right away. No, I think that's just a doorbell. Yeah, there's no smoke alarms. Well, that's a shame. Alrighty. Alright, let's see what's in here. Oh, I see we have an older home, huh? We may come across something cool. Wait. You gotta be kidding me. Really? That looks like a missing smoke alarm with 3 wires hanging out. I know smoke alarm wires well. There may have been an old Honeywell or an old Firex FX1020 here at some point. Just reminds me, I was over at this lady's house trying to see if I can replace her smoke alarms. And I noticed that, like, the other week that I was going to pick up my cousin over there, and, I noticed that, like, one of them was missing. There was no smoke alarm in the hallway. So, but there was a Firex FX, I believe it's an FX1014 in, like, the kitchen. And, it was still there. And then I asked her if she was willing to let me change the smoke alarms for her. And she told me yes, I could. But she has to get through a bunch of other projects. Her washing machine's broken and her toilet is broken, so they're gonna have to get those fixed. She's gonna have to get a plumber out. So that's gonna take a few weeks. So she said that the smoke alarm part, which is the final big project, that I can do it for her. And that she would appreciate my help. I guess she wanted to wait until, like, there was a big project she had to do. So, yep. That's some good news on that. I'm gonna, when I replace that Firex, which is gonna be a month from now, a few weeks to it's either at the end of this month, so which is a couple weeks to a month is when I'll do it. And maybe in February when I do it. So you guys just gotta be patient with me. I'll do a video once I get that smoke alarm. So when I replace the old Firex, I'm gonna keep it for my collection, so And I'm gonna wire it up and test it for you guys. I've been wanting one of those badly because the AC buzzers. But yeah, this specific one might have been a Firex FX1020. Or it could have also been a Honeywell. I don't know the model, but I've seen them in several videos. Or that also could have been a BRK 1839 ACI. Let's see. Obviously the lighting has been changed. But that's not my focus. I don't really care. I don't really pay attention to lighting all that much. Wait. Why is there a switch plate missing? So, that's a fire hazard. So, I'm gonna have to... I know, like... I found that I have an outlet plate missing. I'm gonna have to go get a couple more outlet plates at Lowe's at one point. To get, because I searched for some. I think I took them out because they were broken. I'm not sure. I forgot that. I forgot they were like that. So there was a shelf behind one of them for years. Alrighty, now let's... I think I did screenshot the one. Or you know what? I'm going to... In case I didn't screenshot it, I got so distracted that... Or you know what? Yeah, I did screenshot it. So... I will, because I've already taken one screenshot this video. Let's see. What's in here? Upstairs hallway. Let's see. There's... Okay, this looks like it's been updated at one point, so... We're not gonna have anything special. What is that? Is that wiring, or is that something hanging out of the attic? Not sure. Hallway is where smoke and carbon monoxide alarm should be. I don't know, I'm just really tired today. Alright, let's see. Where's, no smoke alarm in this house. This is ridiculous. Unless I'm not seeing it. I was hoping for a vintage smoke alarm, or maybe like even a BRK 4120B. But nope, nothing to be found. Other than that looked to be a Firex bracket that the smoke alarm was missing. It looked to be a really burnt Firex bracket. And it did have, I know, it did look like it had the interconnecting wiring with the red wire. Because with smoke alarm interconnecting, there will be a red wire, a black wire, and a white wire. And then, red one's for interconnecting. White is neutral, and then black is hot. At least the wires were capped, but still, that's a fire hazard. They need to put a new smoke alarm up there. If it were mine, I'd probably put up a kit of some sort, maybe a KNCOPEIC. I would put a single station. I would wire it up as interconnecting, depending on if there were other smoke alarms connected to it in the house. But yep, I can tell it's a smoke alarm. I can tell there was a smoke alarm there at one point. It does have the bracket still. Oh, okay, so I see we have a smoke alarm. Oh, one of these. Nah, I don't really care for these, but I'll screenshot it anyway. If we're not finding anything good, I'm gonna put that missing Firex or Honeywell in the thumbnail. Let's see, is there one in the upstairs hallway? Oh, look at this. We have a first alert of some sort. Yep, first alert 83R. Let me screenshot it, or maybe SA something something. Mine is labeled 83R. I checked the back of it when I pulled it out of my Nana's house. Like back in 2018. Because it was around the time I put in my carbon monoxide alarm downstairs. And then I think it may have been my uncle who asked me to check the smoke alarm. I don't remember. And then I did, and I found it wasn't operational. Or it may have been me wanting to keep my Nana safe. So I checked it to see if it was operational, and it was not, so I changed it. I put a KNCOSMBA up there at one point. As far as I know, my uncle changes the batteries for her every year. So yeah, I've got the old one and I managed to get it working. Turned out to be I didn't put in the battery properly. The way you put it in is kind of weird, if you ask me. Let's see, is there any smoke alarms? Like, I'm surprised there isn't one next to that light fixture. And I'm surprised that... Why am I getting so many notifications? A bathroom with ceiling panels. And then there's that shower. Then there's your commode, your clogger bogger. Oh, this would be one of my buddy who's into washing machines. He is definitely going to like these. I don't really pay attention to washing machines, but I'll screenshot these and send it to him later. Hopefully it saves onto my phone too, so I can send it. So I never knew red washing machines existed. I should get him hooked to this, like, doing these tours. I may see if he wants to, like, start doing these tours for, like, washing machines and stuff like that. Because that is possible. I don't do it for washing machines. I do it for smoke alarms. There may have been a smoke alarm here at one point, but it ended up not working, so the owner changed it. So we're getting off to a good 90 start. So I think that was the house I already checked. Alright, let's see what's in here. Let's see, what's in here? Oh, what is this? Yo, I don't think I've seen this before. Yep, I'm screenshotting this. I cannot tell what this is. It may be a first... Yeah, it's a first alert. And it looks like it has some corrosion on it. But that may be something else, like a BRK. It looks like a BRK or a first alert. Obviously, this bedroom's been updated, but this does not have looked to have been updated. But yeah, pretty neat. I guess Cleveland has some nice finds. Well, that fire X was missing, but other than that... Very cool. That was a good find. Somebody will have to tell me what that is, because I do not know what it is. Alright, let's see. Looks like we're in a single-story home. Wait, what am I doing? Crap. I lost it. Alrighty, let's see. Let's see. Okay, it saved my filters. Good. And which one was I on? I think I was on this one. Or no, I just finished with this one. Yep. Yeah, I had just finished with this one. Alrighty, let's see. Alright, let's see. Oh no, one of these. Okay. Let's see. Why do you have an I9040 in a kitchen? That's gotta have been added. There may be... nope, I stand corrected. There was nothing cool in the hallway. There's gotta have been like a first word in here at some point in time, because this does look like it hasn't been renovated, but definitely has had some upgrades. Definitely the smoke alarms have been changed. Alright. Okay, well, let's find something else, I suppose. Alright, let's see what's in this house. Alright, something upstairs. What is that? That looks like a Hershey's Kiss or something. One of those chocolate things on those commercials. Oh, one of these. A P30K something. Oh, it looks like Jack Vale's farting in Walmart. That's why I call it wall fart. Oh, this person actually has an exit sign in their home. That's a first. Really? Oh, what is that? Is that a missing light, or is that a smoke alarm? I cannot tell. I cannot tell if that's a smoke alarm or a missing light. And it looks like they have a smoke alarm missing. That's a great decision. I mean, if you only wanted an AC power one, you could... Or is that even... Oh, I thought that was a plug for a second. My middle school had plugs like that above the whiteboards. That still worked, actually. I plugged in a... Oh, a KNCOPED. Okay, this is decent. At least they have a carbon monoxide alarm. In a bedroom, okay. I thought about doing that with my room at one time, but I decided I didn't want to. Is that a fire alarm horn in this house? I mean, I've seen it one other time, but like that is on one of these searches, but I can't really tell. That may be a doorbell or something. Hallway, let's see. I would put a smoke alarm about right here if it were me. One of these crappy first alerts. One of my grandmother has those. Her electrician replaced the ADCs with those. I now have the ADCs, so which is good. It helps. Because those are very overpriced on eBay. Oh, okay. Let's see. Is that really the end of the search? Okay, let's try removing a couple filters. Let's remove the must-have 3D tour. And let's see if it shows us some different 3D tour ones. I think I already did this one, unless... Yeah, I already did that one. So we're gonna have to end up going to a different city. You know what? We're in Cleveland, Ohio, where that elementary school is with that... I believe it's called Miles Elementary. It had this, telecall fire alarm system of some sort. It was relay. It was really cool. So let's see. Maybe Lakewood, Ohio may have some cool ones. Alright, let's see. Must have 3D tour. Really? Really? There's no 3... Oh, here we go. I already looked at these. I already looked at those. Okay, this is harder than I thought. Lakewood, Ohio. Let's see. Let's try Toledo. It had an elementary school with a very old auto-call fire alarm system that has since been demolished. It was demolished in 2011. I really like those older fire alarms. They kind of remind me of the Firex smoke alarms, like that ladies I'll be getting in about a month. Or at least I should be getting it. Why isn't there no inside? Where's the inside view? Oh, here we go. Okay, what is down this hall? Oh. Oh, one of these. It has these ugly swirl... I feel like I've seen this on another video. Yep, one of the... You gotta be kidding me, stupid thumb. Alrighty. My bad. My fingers just like to do whatever they want, apparently. Alrighty, let's see. That looks like a universal. And then there's one hooked up to the security system. But yeah, I feel like I've seen this on another video. Well, although I could be wrong. My uncle used to have these swirl ceilings in his home. He has since gotten his house renovated, so... Are there any smoke alarms in the bedrooms? Oh, this one may have outlets on a light switch, because there's no ceiling light. I've seen My aunt's house has that. And my house has one. I think I tried plugging in something and then it didn't turn on one day, and then I figured I was on a light switch. Well, I have to say, let's switch the subject. Get it, light switch? Alrighty. Oh, wait. What's this? Oh, is that a mirror? Oh, that's either... Why do they have these? Or are those smoke alarms? Oh, I think I've been in this one before. I feel like either I've seen this on other videos. Yeah, I definitely have seen this in another video. I recognize the wall sconces look familiar. Either it was me who found this, or... No, it was somebody else who did, I feel like. I feel like James or Jaden found this. Alright, let's see. Oh, these track lights are cool. Oh, wait, what's this? Oh, one of these older kiddas. I wish I had one. I think that's the previous model of the P12040. And that, I guess that was around when the Firex ADCs were around. Considering I have 4 of them. Oh, one of these intercom systems. I want to try and fart in one of these one day, or put a whoopee cushion up to it and maybe see if it will go off. And then everyone in all the bedrooms will hear the fart sound as a prank. Oh, I would love to do that. This looks like one of those older shops. This is vintage. A washing machine in a basement, and then here's your gas furnace. You want a carbon monoxide alarm, especially since that can be a carbon monoxide source. I'd put one somewhere down here. A light switch on the ceiling. I've only seen that one other time. Dallas Academy's gym closet had that. It's very weird, because I was going to help the PE coach for the summer camp that I was at, where I met my buddy who attends Collin College now. Me and him were in that camp many years ago. This was around 2013 when I badly wanted to ride their ThyssenKrupp Aurora elevator. And then I did not attend school there. I was at my elementary school at the time. And then I actually really liked that camp. Sadly, they no longer do it, because I would have stuck around. But since I heard they no longer do it, plus, I don't really... I'm kind of not wanting to do summer camps these days. After the one at the First United Methodist Church Richardson, I think I've had it with summer camps. I've had my fair share of them. I mean, I thought I would try it out since it was advertised. And since it was at that church, I hated it from the very beginning, because of course I got bullied by the other campers, and then the teacher, the camp instructors, they yelled at me not to use the elevators, but I did it anyway, because I hated the place. I did not want to be there, so yeah. Kind of end of story. I rode the elevators and then never got caught, which is good. All I had to do was ask to go to the bathroom and then go to do it. I probably wouldn't try that yourself if you're a rule follower. That's kind of a risky excuse that I used to do as a kid. I don't think I would do it now, because I don't really do summer camps anymore. Sorry. Yeah, I checked that one out already. Did I check this? Oh, I don't think I've looked at this one yet. I may have missed it. Alright, let's see. Oh, wow. TV in the kitchen. Cool. That way I can watch Jimmy Kimmel Live on it. Or Stephen Colbert. My two favorite comedians. Because I like it when they talk about farts. Is that KNCOPEIC? Yeah, that's a KNCOPEIC. Looks exactly like mine. Or that may be an early one. I don't know. And then what's this? Is that a smoke alarm? It's kind of blurry. I can't really see it. Oh, yep. It's one of these. A First Alert SA-68. I have one. That doesn't work. The horn died on me about 4 months ago. It worked at first, but then it died. The sensor works, shockingly. Oh, what's this? Another KNCOPEIC. Those must have replaced older fire X's or something. And then they just interconnected these together with the relay. Let's see, is there a basement? No, that looks like a storm shelter, the one that I have. Breaker panel. That's an odd spot for it. Let's see. 1948. Okay, so that SA-68 was definitely added. So let's see, did I look at this one? I may have not. I don't remember. I'm gonna go back and see. Yeah, I think I did look at this one. Or no, wait. I can't really tell. No, I don't recognize this. This is a very old home. Oh, yeah, it's definitely been updated. I just see that. Oh, look at this! Yo, this is cool! One of these really old bells. I wonder if that even works. I'm hoping it does. I've seen these before, but never in a house. I've only seen them on, like, videos, restoration videos. That looks like an old fire alarm bell of some sort. Or maybe a doorbell, who knows. That's pretty cool. That was hidden. Hidden treasure. Okay. Oh, that's just a 99040. Let's see. Is that a smoke alarm outside the... No, that's a door frame. And just a heads up, guys, I will be putting, and I will be updating my, channel policies with commenting, because I've been noticing some people have been asking me the same thing over and over again. So, I just want to make this clear. If you ask me to, like, I think somebody asked me about 2 or 3 times. You only need to ask me once. So, I'm not gonna say who, because I don't want to expose people. But, I try and be as chill as I can. I'm not the type of person who will get mad, like, go off when somebody, messes up like that. We all make mistakes. So, there have been people asking me, like, when are you gonna film Northeast Mall's parking elevator? It's the one that's been modded recently, which is that one outside Dillard's. And when was I gonna film the one at Macy's? That I'm still trying to think about. I really want to do it, but the thing is that mall's kind of a pain to get over there these days. And I haven't really been feeling like doing long outings. The only reason why I went down to Dallas yesterday was to go visit my new psychiatrist. And I found out that building has a no filming policy, which is ridiculous if you ask me. Although sadly I have to respect that policy because it's private property. The owner can make the rule if they want. I know it's lame, but it's just a part of life. But yeah, I just want to make this clear that I prefer that people not ask me more than 1 or 2 times. But yeah, if y'all don't mind only asking once, I would much appreciate it. So yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna be chill about it. I'm not gonna be the one who, like, I'm not gonna be like some other elevator enthusiast who are gonna go off on people. No, I'm not like that. I just wish the bullying would stop in the elevator community, if you ask me. And something I know about the autism spectrum, if some of us, like individuals like myself, we tend to repeat ourselves with things, like, without us knowing. And so if you repeat the same question, I'm not going to be mad, because I know it's a part of autism. And most of us elevator enthusiasts are, as far as I know, there are a few that are on the autism spectrum, like myself. It's not a bad thing. I've done research on it myself ever since my psychologist had explained to me what autism is and all that. When he told me I had it, I thought, is there something wrong with me? But yeah. So yeah, we and then us elevator enthusiasts in the elevator community, most of us, like Andrew Reams, supports Autism Awareness Month, which I believe is April. So that's a thing I do celebrate on this channel. So And I 100% support autism, and I understand it. So, yeah. And I have a lot of friends who are on the spectrum, so yeah, I just thought I'd state that real quick and explain that I'm a very understanding guy when it comes to stuff like that. So I try and I don't want to have things like strict on my channel. But something I am going to enforce is no cussing in the comments. I will remove the comment if I see cussing or any type vulgar language or cussing. I will remove the comments immediately. As soon as I find it, I remove it. And this goes for everyone. Even if it's about something that you don't like, if you don't have anything nice to say, then I would keep it to yourself. So, yeah. Zero cussing. I just wanted to make that clear. Because I do have... as far as I know, there are kids who watch my channel. So, we want to, make sure we do not cuss. We want to keep this channel family friendly for those who are children who are into elevators and smoke alarms. I want to keep things children friendly. So yeah. I just wanted to make that clear. Because there had been cussing in comments in the past. And I've been trying to break that habit myself, so I think I've been doing a pretty good job. I haven't said cuss words in a while, actually. So, yeah. Trying to be better. So, yeah. I just thought I'd make that clear. Because we're going to make this channel a no cussing channel. So, yeah. I wanted to give y'all the heads up on these things, like about the repetitiveness, which I completely understand that. I used to repeat things a lot myself without me knowing. So, and they were elevator related. This was when I was a kid. And then most of them are elevator related. That's when I was young. I was about 6 or 7 years old. And then but yeah, and then there's a bunch of other things I'm not going to disclose for confidentiality. But yeah. So in April, I believe, is when Autism Awareness Month is. Let me check real quick. Hold on, my bad. My apologies, y'all. Let me see. I think according to alright, I'm gonna look up when is Autism Awareness Month. Okay, so it turns out to be I was right. It is April. So yeah. But yep. I just thought I'd make this clear in a nice way, cuz I understand autism, and I don't want to make people feel bad if they've messed up on something. We all make mistakes. So yeah. Let's look at some other smoke alarms. Let's see, what's another city in Ohio? I've searched Akron before. maybe let's try Perrysburg. Is that a Roblox house? Looks like something from Roblox. Or, oh no, it's just like a little thing. Little advertisement. Because I have friends who play Roblox. Alright, let's see. This kind of reminds me a little bit of my Nana's house. Just a little bit. Layout's different. Alright, let's see. I like these older homes. Okay, they do have neat lighting. Oh yeah, this has definitely been changed. There may have been an old fire X here at one point. If this was like built in the 80s, yeah, then there probably was an old fire X. It's good to see that they're replacing their smoke alarms every 10 years. But, it's sad to see a vintage alarm go. So I think I'm gonna, in that lady's home, I'm gonna put some of these in her home. I'm not entirely sure yet. There's an Elliott's really close to her, and then so I'm gonna go to Elliott's and pick out a smoke alarm, because I said I would get it for her. So yeah, I thought I'm gonna get one of these, or no, I probably won't get one of these. I'll probably get a police manual, or something that'll stay on the bracket, because she did tell me that she was having problems where the smoke alarms would not stay on the brackets. So, yeah. And I explained that I had that very same problem with my old ones. The 4120Bs, oh yeah, I had far too many problems with that. They wouldn't really stay up in the ceilings, so I had to... It was my mistake I made many years ago by unplugging them. I knew nothing about smoke alarms at the time. Now, I make sure that we have zero smoke, that I have everything's safe, and I make sure I do the right thing when it comes to smoke alarms. And yeah, I do replace smoke alarms myself. Even the hardwired ones I know how to do. Problem is going to be the breaker. I'm going to have to see if her breaker isn't labeled smoke alarm. I'll have to go through and see which specific breakers. I'll have to find the breaker for the one. I'm going to take a voltage meter with me and a few other things so I can do a professional, and I guess I wouldn't say professional, even though I know how to do it professionally, but I'm not a hired electrician. I'm just a smoke alarm enthusiast. But I'm really good at replacing hardwired smoke alarms. And I do know how to wire them. So yeah, I'm even gonna do that for her. I'm gonna cap off the wires like the electrician did at my grandmother's house with hers. I'm gonna cap off the wires, and then once I find the breaker, I'm gonna remove the FX1014, I believe it is, and then I'm gonna cap off the wires. I'm gonna tuck them in the ceiling, and then I'm gonna put in the new smoke alarm, and then after I do that, I'll turn the breaker on, and then I'm going to use my smoke can I have. I'm going to use Smoke Centurion to test the new ones. Because there was one in the back hallway too. And I found it missing, which drove me crazy at first. So I asked if she would be willing to let me fix her smoke alarms for her. And pleasantly enough, she told me yes. So, but she has to get many other things done with, which is the plumbing issue and the washing machine, the toilet not working, and then the washing machine not working. So she's gonna have to do all those, which is gonna take a while. And then by like the end of this month or February is when I'm gonna change it for her. I'm gonna schedule a time with her to where she's available to let me come over there, and then when I'm available, so I can go over there and change it. And then once I finish the thing, I'm probably going to go film a few elevators while I'm over there. And then when I get home, I'm going to do the smoke alarm review, and I'm going to wire that smoke alarm up to a cord. And then I'm going to test it. I'm going to see if the AC buzzer works. I'm not going to test the AC buzzer in her house because I don't want to drive her dogs crazy, because her dogs already drive me insane enough. Even though I love dogs. I really do love dogs. Her dogs are a little much for me. So yeah, I just thought I'd make that announcement. And hopefully things go as planned once she gets all this stuff done. She needed to get a few things done, even the smoke alarms, so I'm glad she's gonna let me do the smoke alarm work. And she's not gonna hire an electrician to do it for her. But I've known this lady for a long time, so ever since 2010, I've known her. So, yeah. And then and then on my way there, that's how I found the elevator at Little Asia Shopping Center. But, yep. And I plan on filming that thing with Anthony at one point. So, and then for my birthday, which is actually tomorrow. So my birthday is tomorrow. I'm turning 19 years old, which is crazy. I can't believe time has gone by so fast. Because I just remember my 18th birthday. I was with Anthony walking around Plano East in a live stream. And then me and him were telling fart puns. Yeah, it's crazy. I know, I'm like entirely blown that my birthday's tomorrow. So I have a couple birthday plans, and you will find out what they are when I plan on doing a filming trip with Anthony, and then I'm not gonna say which places yet other than Little Asia. But y'all will find out what big plans I have arranged with him. And then the second thing I'm going to be doing for my birthday, you will find out once you see videos from the place. So, yep. I'm very excited. I wonder what I'll be getting for my birthday. We'll just see. Hopefully a smoke alarm. So, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Please leave a like, comment, rate, and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching.